registration. This is where the patient becomes interactive with the software. Okay, they're going to sign. We do not integrate or interface with signature pads. The patient is going to sign directly into the chart. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click my start time for registration. I'm going to get my green check mark. The patient has presented at the counter. Now we're just going to go through these with them. They arrived at 7:30 like they're supposed to. Here's this purple icon again. I don't have to do anything but click on it and acknowledge it because the patient has already been communicated that. I've got my COVID-19 screening that was already filled out during the pre-op call. I can make this a signature block if I want to. So all of this is going to pull in, but I want the patient to sign off on this. So I'm going to click sign. Now this is where I turn the tablet over to the patient and they sign it with their finger. Okay, they sign here, click accept. I will sign it as a witness, but I don't actually have to sign it. It's going to populate that I am the logged in user. I click accept, and now it's populated here for me. Here is the paperwork that the patient will sign off on as well. So whether that be privacy practices, financial agreements, anything that you at your center are already doing paper and the patient is signing on paper, we can load that into the registration area and they can sign it here electronically. Okay, in this case, this is our demo database and this is a demo chart, but we're going to go ahead and have the patient sign off on our center's privacy practices. Same thing, you just click sign. They sign it with their finger, get a green check mark. And now the registration is over. This is where a front desk person, I can click on the camera here and I can take a picture of the patient and attach it to the chart. Okay, so I can do that as well.